Hi guys, and welcome back to another dashcam review. Today we're going to be reviewing the GKU D700. I did a review on the D600 about 4 months ago, and that was a good dashcam. Really impressed with that one, so this one should be even better. They also sent me out the hard wiring kit. I won't be installing this today, but if you wanted 24 hours protection or security, shall we say, definitely buy one of these. I will put that in the description. Let's see what we got on the box. We got 4K front only, super night vision, front 170 degree and rear 150. Also you get a free 64 SD card, dual 4K plus 1080p, GPS tracking, a 3.18 inch touchscreen, 5G Wi-Fi and app control. So let's check out and see what we got in the box. User manual in various languages, electrostatic stickers, a support card so if you have any troubles, a power cable with USB, and it is a Type-C on the other end. Here we have the rear camera, looks like there's plenty of wire there anyway. Trim tool to help hide the wires. We have some cable clips, 2 extra adhesive pads, and here we have the main dash cam. Memory card is already in there. It has a nice matte finish to it, which is nice. Only one button, so the rest would be touchscreen. Right, let's go through some of the settings now. Here you have recording, Wi-Fi, playback and settings. Let's go through some of the settings first. Here you have resolution, the first one, 4K and 1080p, 2.5K and 1080p, and the last one was 1080p and 1080p. Video segment, 1 minute, 3 minutes and 5 minutes, that's for loop recording. Screen sleep off 30 seconds or 1 minute or 3 minutes. Time and date, cancel. Your time format, 24 hours, 12 hours. Time zones, which we went through to begin with. The G sensor, low, lower, lowest, off, medium and high. Fatigue driving alerts, so if you're driving for too long, your dash cam is going to let you know, so you can set that for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Speed unit, kilometers or miles per hour. Put your license plate in there. Language, light source frequency, 50 Hertz and 60 Hertz. Brightness, high, medium, low. Oh. It's very sensitive, which is good in some ways. Right, then you have your volume, system settings. Yeah, so you can turn off and on your microphone, power sound, keytone, voice prompts, GPS, timestamp, GPS stamp, speed stamp, rear screen mirror, rear screen flip, daylight saving time, GPS, SD format, factory reset, information, and app download. Scan that with your phone. Right, let's go back. There's probably going to be no, you can check. Yeah, so you can review your videos. So you have front emergency, and then photos, and the same with the rear standard video, rear emergency video. Wi-Fi, turn that on when you want to connect it to your phone. And recording. Here on the screen you have lock, and then your microphone, turn it on and off. Settings are here. You can see the rear camera, might have to move that a little bit, but yeah, so you can see both. Turn it on and off, and lock the video. Don't forget to download the GKU Go from any Apple or Play Store. Super easy to get up and running. As soon as you're connected, you'll be able to download videos, take photos, change settings, live view video, and lots more. Now let's see how it performs. Not sure what the sound's going to sound like, but hopefully it's good. Hope you can hear me okay.